Healthy snacks that make you fat. These healthy snacks are making you insulin resistant. Stop snacking. I used to eat granola, smoothies, rice cakes, thinking I was doing it right, thinking I was being healthy. But my blood sugar was spiking like crazy. I felt tired after eating and was gaining weight. Plus, I couldn't lose belly fat. The truth, even low fat snacks trigger insulin. Oh, and insulin is the fat hormone. Oh, and insulin is the fat storing hormone. I stopped snacking and replaced it with fiber-rich meals. I followed the proper fasting cycles for my age and sex, and my body finally began burning fat. Here's my before and after 30 days, same calories, different timing. My waist dropped 2 inches in 30 days. Tag a friend who lives on snacks. Chat. Type reset in the chat if you'd like my plan.